Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Park vehicle, turn off ignition, and lift wiper arms away from glass. This keeps the arms taut and prevents the spring from snapping back while you work. Buy 26-inch driver and 16-inch passenger wiper blades to match typical Nissan Leaf sizing, or measure your existing blades to confirm exact length. Gather a flathead screwdriver, rubbing alcohol, and a clean cloth to remove debris and adhesive. Wear gloves to avoid grease, and work on a soft surface to protect the windshield if the arm falls. Fold wipers up and unlock the small plastic tab on the blade to release the retention clip. This is a common Nissan J-hook connector. Pivot the blade down and slide it off the J-hook arm using steady pressure, keeping fingers clear of the spring. Inspect arm for bends and clean the windshield contact area with alcohol to remove grit that could shorten new blade life. Repeat removal steps for the passenger side, noting any asymmetry in blade type or adapter pieces. Align new blade with the J-hook, then slide until it clicks into place. Hear a definitive snap to confirm the clip engaged. Lower the arm gently and repeat for the passenger side using the 16-inch blade, ensuring both blades sit flush against the glass at rest. Test washers and wipers by running a quick cycle with washer fluid and verify no streaking, skipping, or chattering. If problems persist, recheck adapter orientation, confirm correct lengths, or replace the wiper arm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.